Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for the Crafty Maven Getaway and I am doing the art party. And there are the two cut files, this one and that one, that I will be using on my layout. While you watch this a little bit here, I took the first cut file that you saw and I cut it 3 different times and I stapled it in a couple of different spots. And then the second one, I used the wreath to tone down the first set of wreaths that I kind of did. And then off camera, I backed the second wreath with the paper that I'm using from Simple Stories, which is called Very Merry. So here I am. The technique that I showed on the Crafty Maven Getaway is using your stencil brush without a stencil. So here I am. I'm taking 2 different colors of distressed oxides that look a lot like the colors that are in the paper for the Very Merry. And we have to do our theme for the Crafty Maven Getaway is our stash bashing. And I really don't have that much old stuff. The oldest stuff that I have is probably 2015, 2016 at the latest. So stashing for me is a little bit hard when I see a lot of you ladies go like way back on your products. So I'm sorry that I can't go too far back, but I just wanted to show you how you can definitely take your stencil brushes and do something like this. I know it's simple and easy, but it's a technique that a lot of people kind of tend to forget, that you can use your stencil brush for this as well, because the strokes do come through and it's just a little added extra something to it. I took the green on the outside just to soften up, and it looks, let it keep going. I promise you it doesn't look, right now it kind of looks like, Miranda, what are you doing? But keep on watching, and as Missy Wooden would always say, sometimes it looks like a bloody mess because I'm using red, or it looks like a mess, and then once you get going on it, it starts to look better. So just keep on watching, and I am scrapping with a good friend of mine. We're video chatting, so you may see my thing go up a little bit because we're going back and forth. That's why this is just a tad bit longer of a video, but shorter of a video for me too, because I took out a lot of excess stuff that I didn't want to bore you guys with, like cutting a file and doing all of that kind of stuff. So here I am, I'm backing this whole cut file up. I'm giving this layout tons and tons of dimension. And there it is completely done. So now I'm going to take different little pieces off the edges, as you can see, and I'm going to use my distress tool. I think that I have found my niche. If you don't see me distress, I think there's something wrong with me at this point. And I just do all 4 sides. I just get it all kind of wonky and distressed look, get it all up, or get it all done. And then I start to embellish on there. And then after this, it goes pretty quick. So I hope that you liked this video. Make sure that you like and subscribe, because all month long I have tons and tons of stuff that I am doing for December and winter stuff that'll go into January if I can't get it done this month. And also, I am so close. Like, I'm halfway, a little over halfway to 1,000 subscribers. I've got like 60-some subscribers that I need before I can do my 1,000 giveaway. And I'm hoping that I can be able to get it done before Christmas so that I can give somebody a Christmas, like a Christmas gift of what I want to do for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So make sure that you like and subscribe so that you can be part of that giveaway as well. And of course, watch all my videos. I do have a couple of collaborations that are coming up in the month of December here as well. I've got a 12-day or a 10-day, something like that, that I'm doing with Lisa over at Pink Glitter Scrapper. And I've got a couple other things that are going on. So here I am. I'm using Missy Wooden's little technique of the thread, and I place it in a couple of different spots. I just add a little bit of things here and there. And I don't have very much wow, I can't even talk. I don't have much of the embellishments anymore for this collection. I have more of the paper left over, but that's fine because I used a cut file and that took a lot of the work out of it. I used a rolled rose gold from Stampin' Up, and then two of the green and the red that I used is from Stampin' Up as well. And then the tan from the other cut file that I used, that is from Close to My Heart. Obviously, the Stampin' Up stuff was a limited edition, so I know that that's not available, but my cardstock is. And if I can find Very Merry for Simple Stories, I'll link it down below as well. But I'm almost done. Like, the embellishments is almost done. And I do save you the pain of the sequins from Spiegelmom Scraps. I do a ton of sequins around the edge just to add a little bit. But I only do a little bit in the thing, like on camera for you so you can see. So still shots are coming up, and I hope that you enjoyed, and like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye!